I gaslit my motherfucking reality until it gave me exactly what I wanted. And if you're ready to gaslight yourself into manifesting your most iconic, juicy, sexy dream life, keep on watching. Hello, angels. My name is John, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, I always like to say that my mission here on this beautiful, magical earth is to be your new, unhinged, off-the-rails, kind of feral GBF that loves to teach you the misfits of creations, the icons, the sluts, the LGBT, my queer fucking souls, no matter what you identify as. This is a place that the weirdos, the outcasts, the creatives, the people that just understand that they're here to do big, wild things, this is the place for you. Okay, I'm here to help you motherfucking remember that just because you're a little bit different or weird or unique doesn't make you any less worthy, and in fact, that is your superpower. Anyway, if at any point you loved this video, I would love it if you can drop me a like down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see from your beautiful favorite sassy GBF of the internet. And if you want more socials, don't forget to check out my IG, my TikTok. I would love the support over there. But let's get into it. You guys know that I don't do scripts, okay? My Mercury is in Leo in my first motherfucking house. I just speak with passion. I come up with a title and speak. So I like to curse. I'm kind of long-winded. I kind of over-explain. So if that is not your vibe, if you don't like that energy, just click out now. Now that I got my soul family, I'm so excited that you're here. Quick backstory. I come from EDs, both ends of the spectrums. I come from having an unhealthy relationship with exercise, complete body dysmorphia since I was like literally 11 years old. I was consumed with how my body looked, completely consumed by social anxiety to the point where I didn't literally even want to walk to my mailbox because I didn't want anyone from my school to like see me and then bully me because I was just a raging fucking target, okay? I was a target. I was gay. I was living my dreams. I was posting online. I was just a big fucking rainbow target, okay? And I felt like every day of my life was a fight and it was not safe. So if I could be on track to manifesting my dream life, so can you, babe. You are not broken beyond repair. The universe, God, Jesus, whatever you believe in, knew exactly what it was doing when it created your beautiful, sexy, unique, magical soul. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. This is how I've been course correcting my mind. This is how I've been kind of gaslighting myself into literally stepping into the most iconic version of me. Every negative thought that I have had, or that I will have, any negative thought that I think, I course correct it, basically. I course correct it. And there's a little bit of a, not a caveat, but I think what is helping me is I say them with conviction. I even say my thoughts with conviction. I know that there is so much discourse around robotic affirming and feeling it, but I'm telling you my experience. Whether I'm thinking the thoughts, I'm saying it with conviction. I'm saying it with this belief. And I like that. I like having conviction. It works for me. And I also say it out loud. I also use conviction when I say it out loud. And something that's coming through is my body. So maybe some of you are going to be are feeling like very limited by your body. Maybe you feel like you're not going to find love. You're not going to have success. You're not going to live your dream life because the way that you look. And even if you don't, you'll still get to this example. Something that I struggle with on a day-to-day basis is my body image. I've always been thicker, chubbier, or fatter. Right? I've never been slim. And I've turned to food due to me solely feeling like I didn't have the support I needed at home. And then I was bullied for being gay. I was beat for being gay, bullied at school. I just turned to food because it was the only thing that made me feel good, and then I blew up. But I feel like even before I struggled with my actual ED, I just always was consumed by my thoughts. And there's this picture that I remember of my outfit that I remember seeing in the mirror and just hating the way that I looked. And in that picture, I was in 5th grade. That was how young I remember me being. So bitch, I'm fucked up. So yes, that's why I need the nervous system regulation. That's why I love the nervous system regulation, because the bitch is traumatized. That's a struggle that I've had ever since 5th grade. And I know it sounds dramatic, but let that even be evidence that if I can do it, so can you. I am no special than you. You are no special than me. You are no special than Taylor Swift. We're all worthy. So I just had enough. I just had enough of being trapped in my mind. And this is why you have to welcome the down downward spirals. This is why you have to welcome the rock bottoms, because there's nowhere to explode but upwards, right? So I had enough of living in my mind. I want to be happy. Life is too short. So like, you know, enough's enough. I'm going to stop thinking like this because my words and thoughts have power. John Anthony, you know this. So one day I remember walking to the bathroom, like kind of like angrily flipping on my light switch and said, I'm ripped. I'm not going to use the word skinny because I don't want to be skinny. I'm ripped, I am jacked, and I'm fucking hot. And I remember just kind of repeating that, just like with conviction, right? I want you to kind of picture like me punching like a punching bag. I said it with conviction. I was like, enough's enough. And ever since that moment, every single time that I saw my reflection, I said, I'm hot, I'm sexy, I'm ripped, I'm in love with my eyes, I have a beautiful fucking smile, I have a beautiful personality. Every time I saw my reflection, if I was in a public bathroom, work, or an actual public bathroom where there was other people, I would say it in my mind. If I was alone in my bathroom, I would say it out loud. Every single time I saw my reflection. Same thing with every single time that I saw money leave my account. I get paid to exist. I get paid to exist. I get paid to exist. This just means that more money's coming in because the universe has my fucking back. And again, I would just course correct either out loud or in my head, but with conviction. And I started really gaslighting my every negative or limited thought that I ever had and ever have to this day. This is what I do. I course corrected. I gaslight myself with conviction. And when I started doing this was like 2 months ago, I've seen so many, like I've had so many people come up to me in my job because I work at a gym and say I'm losing weight, I'm dropping weight, I look so good. It's showing up in my comments. I'm noticing it in the pictures that I'm taking. So yeah, this shit works. You just have to keep gaslighting yourself with conviction because that's all the 3D is past old residual limiting beliefs. So you keep going until you see the reality superimposed, babe, because this reality just goes off of the old version of who we thought we were, old beliefs. This is not because God is punishing you. It's not because God is testing you. You have the power, so keep persisting and keep gaslighting yourself. And any negative thought or any limited thought that you have, no judgment. You're just, we're not available. No judgment, no hating ourselves. No, because you know that only positive thoughts and loving words and positive beliefs and empowering stories manifest for you. So you don't judge your negative thoughts because in a way it's not real. Course correct it, babe, and move on with your life. Gaslight yourself. And I do this with everything. If I had plans and I don't really want to leave the house, no, I'm full of life. This outing is going to lead me to new ideas, new husband, a boyfriend, a husband, a miracle is coming. No, I'm excited to leave my house. I don't want to get out of bed. No, I'm excited to get out of bed. I don't want to go to the gym. No, I love going to the gym. I'm lazy. No, I'm productive. I'm hot and iconic. Even if it's not a negative thought, any limiting story that you want to catch, gaslight yourself out of it, baby girl. Like, you are limitless and you deserve to have powerful thoughts about yourself and about life. This life is magical. This life is precious, and you deserve to live an empowering, beautiful fucking life. But you also have to understand that you create the life with your thoughts and your intentions and your emotions and how you act and how you treat people and your mind. So take control of your mind, take control of how you feel. You deserve to feel good even if things didn't go the best today. Life is a beautiful, magical gift, and you can create it whatever you want with it. It starts by changing your beliefs, and you do that by gaslighting, by repetitioning that shit into the asshole. You got this. You're on track. Everything is manifesting. You're doing it perfectly. You slay. You're hot. You're gorgeous. You're at your desired weight. You have millions in your bank account. You're living your dream career. You have your dream soulmate in that dream house. You have your dream family. You have it all. You have it all right now. And if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass with these guns. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow with tomorrow's manifestation pep talk.